Oh, what day is it, bro?
It's America's Day.
Independence Day. Wow, just got up on the wake surf. Throw this to you. It's recording.
You've given me nothing. Keep telling me I'll be fine. Keeping me guessing. Leave it all to bloom. You were right.
Be careful.
4th of July, hanging out with some friends. Right here, this right here is some prime real estate. Why? Because I'm here. That over there is not prime real estate. Not prime real estate. No shirt.
No shirt, but you gotta be responsible. Your kid is number one.
I'm
priority.
very responsible. Dude, these fat boys are pretty lit. As soon as I get on the show, I'm gonna request some fat boys.
They need a whistle. Okay.
Dude, I got a whistle with me right now. I got a whistle on me. So in case I need to do some whistling.
You need to bring a whistle. You'd be like, yo, I have my own whistle, so I'm good on that. Rule number 1, be lit up at night. They're gonna be...
What up, Indiana? What up, Indiana? Leg wobbling. Woo, 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 woo.
Nobody knows you while you're tripping away. My thoughts come and go.
We got the drone flying. 4th of July shit. Prime real estate's right here. Couple more shots. We are almost done. It was flawless.
So I'm never gonna get too close to you. Even when I'm being honest.